for stone, some bowed their heads, some heard a curse, some God instead. The blind saw light, the lame arose, the dead broke free from long